Modifying a stop loss or take profit on TN Trader can be part of managing the trade after it is already live in the market. Once the position is open, you can go back into that trade and adjust the exit levels to reflect what the market is doing and how you want to manage risk. On Trade Nation, stop loss and take profit orders are core risk management tools, and open positions can be amended directly from the platform. With the platform open, the focus is on the open position itself. From there, you select the amend option, which brings up the trade ticket again and lets you change the current stop or target. This is the same workflow shown in Trade Nation's own platform tutorials for adjusting stop settings on an existing position, where the original order is reopened, edited, and then submitted again. At that stage, you are simply updating the level rather than creating a new trade. If the market has moved in your favour, you may want to bring the stop loss closer to reduce exposure. If your target needs to be adjusted, you can change the take profit level to match the structure you are seeing on the chart. The important point is that TN Trader allows you to make those changes without interrupting the position itself, so the trade stays open while the protection and target are updated around it. Once the new level is entered, you submit the amendment and the position updates immediately. That gives you a cleaner way to manage the trade as conditions change, rather than leaving the original levels untouched. It is a practical feature because trade management rarely stays static once a market starts moving. In summary, TN Trader makes the process efficient. You open the live position, amend the stop loss or take profit, confirm the change, and continue managing the market from the same screen. That keeps the workflow straightforward and helps you stay focused on risk, timing, and the quality of the setup rather than the mechanics of the platform itself.